So I used to get a lot of questions about the supplements I use alongside my skincare products to achieve a very healthy looking skin. Well, I will be like, what make you think I use supplements? I'm not condemning using supplements or anything. It's just that I don't like taking pills, and I will not say I don't use supplements. I do use supplements, some, not all the time, but I don't really depend on supplements for my healthy skin and for the vitamins and minerals that I need. It's no more news that achieving healthy glowing skin is not only by using skincare products. You also need vitamins and minerals. So I decided to share one among many of my recipes on how I take vitamins and minerals at home in form of food, not pills or soft gels or capsules. So this is chia seed. Chia seed have a lot of benefits. You can Google them. It contains omega-3, which is very, very good for skin, hair, nails. And it contains zinc, calcium, magnesium. It's very, very good. You can research for benefits of chia seed on the body. And because I don't tolerate too much milk, I just use one sachet of milk. You can use any amount of milk you want. Like I said, I don't tolerate too much milk. It upsets my stomach. So I use one sachet of milk for this. As you can see, I use 1 tablespoon. Is 1.5? You can use any amount of chia seed you want. It's just that you need to build the tolerance first. So this warm water, you can use room temperature water if you have. Just know that you need to leave this for the chia seed to hydrate. Like, you need to give it time. When you soak it in water, give it time to hydrate. So putting the warm water will help with the milk, because I can't take milk like cold milk. Like I said, I'm not too fan of milk, so I need to do all sort of things to be able to take the milk the way I want it. So I use warm water. It will help to hydrate the chia seed faster, and then it will help the milk. It will help with the milk. Good. So I will just leave this to hydrate for some time, and then come back with another seed. This is sesame seed. I don't know if that's how it's called, but yes, sesame seed. So this seed contains calcium, iron, fiber, magnesium, copper, B vitamins. It's really, really good when it comes to, hydrating your skin, balancing your hormones, giving you the right nutrients. Like, it's very, very good. Pairing these two sets is a powerhouse for vitamins and minerals. So instead of buying all these minerals and vitamins that I listed in form of supplement, and taking them like patient, I don't know, like taking pills like you have some kind of health issue or something. I don't like taking pills, because I believe taking pills are for those that are suffering from one kind of illness to the other. That's the reason why I just feel like, no, there's something off with taking pills just to look fine or something. I'm not condemning taking pills. I'm not condemning taking supplements. Please, you like your supplements, by all means, go and do that. Just leave us with our natural thing. Okay, so that is pumpkin seed. So this seed is a powerhouse of magnesium. It also contains all this copper, iron, zinc in moderate quantity, but it's powerhouse of magnesium. Instead of buying magnesium supplement, the moment you take this combination, you already have the magnesium in there. So I left this for some time to kind of hydrate the chia seed, and as you can see, it's hydrated like this. Just leave it for like maybe 10 minutes or so. It will hydrate the chia seed. It will bring everything together, and then you have your drink. Will I call this drink? I'll not call this smoothie, but you have your supplement all in one supplement. There are ways you can take this. You can start with taking only chia seed, build the tolerance, then come back and add maybe sesame seed, start building the tolerance, and then incorporate pumpkin seed. You get, just build your tolerance with this. Just don't go all at once, because you don't know whether your stomach can tolerate this. So this is a very, very good way to take your vitamins and minerals all together, and then you are taking natural thing without harming your kidney or your spleen or anything. You are not taking anything synthetic that will harm you, that will come and cause any harm in the future. You understand? Like, you get this, and then this, the moment you get used to this, you will never want to stop. So thanks for watching. Bye.